February the 18th, 2014. A massive, powerful magnitude 6.7 earthquake struck the Caribbean island of Barbados, east of Martinique, Windward Islands. The quake was 126 miles northeast of Bridgetown at a depth of 20 miles. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
Prophecy, October 12, 2013. In the spirit, despite the recent massive earthquakes in Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Grenada, and Venezuela, another major earthquake is determined upon the Caribbean.